In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Mexican and Spanish in Memrise. If you want to learn Spanish with Memrise, then your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Spanish like a local. Memrise teaches you Spanish vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. It finds you thousands of authentic video lessons to learn Spanish, featuring the exact words you've just learned. Memrise is built around learning words and phrases through spaced repetition, which helps with long-term retention. It provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Spanish learning. Dedicate at least 10 to 15 minutes daily to review and learn new words. Consistency is key to progressing quickly in the language learning. You can use the pronunciation features that allow you to compare your speaking with native speakers. Memrise is an active community where users discuss tips and share experiences. Joining a forum or group for learning Mexican Spanish can provide additional motivation and support. If you want to access additional features, you can choose the Memrise Pro plan. Although Memrise offers pronunciation features, it doesn't provide in-depth speaking practice or real-time conversation opportunities. The spaced repetition model can become monotonous, especially for users who prefer interactive or diverse learning methods. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.